All right, so I think I'm going to put more faith into the fact that it could be an extractor issue than I thought I would. I just fired the Glock 17 with that number 3 extractor in there that I took out of the 19, and I caught a couple square in the face. So I'm going to put back on camera here, and I'm going to try to catch these, see what we can come up with. Glock 17 with that 19 extractor, again, stiffing it, holding it tight. One, two, three, right down my fucking cheek, excuse me. Barely in front of me. Alright, nothing, wasn't pelted, but I was hit. So, I didn't think it would be the extractor. I already have the ejector coming, so I guess I will wind up with a full replacement. Alrighty.